Okay, here's one more view of the Hoover Dam area. Here's the bridge. We're going to circle back down to where the actual dam is. It's about 725 feet from the base to the top. Lake Mead in the background there. It's about 6:30 at night, so the sun is setting to the west. You get some shade, some different colors. As I scale up above the parking lot, you can see the power cables. And let me pick up this helicopter flying over. Just, you can barely see the helicopter as I go from right to left, counterclockwise, back over the parking lot, power cable, and back to the bridge. Amazing engineering, amazing feat, taking God's creation, adding it with manpower and a vision. And there it is, the Hoover Dam, celebrating its 75th year, 2010.